Good day. I'm Subathra from Stella Maris College. So I do a research on analysis of object detection with the traffic management using machine learning models. And my author is a Dr. Roselin Clara from Stella Maris College. Agenda of this paper. First one is a objective and abstract, introduction, literature review, and finally it's a conclusion and reference. So, objective of this paper is machine learning models are used to detect objects in video in real-time surveillance. With it will require with a lower accuracy rate. So, for future work and for future use, we uses deep learning models to detect moving vehicles in a video frame with highest accuracy rate. Abstract of this paper. So, computer vision of an international transport system of an object detection is a technique is to locate an instance of an object like persons, vehicle like bus, car that to be captured in videos or images. So nowadays, object detection plays a vital role in monitoring the traffic, managing speed of a vehicle, and detecting vehicles with number plates. So, vehicle detection is a process on a road which is used for vehicle tracking, counting of a vehicle, average speed of a vehicle with each individual one. They may implemented under environmental images. In this paper, we proposes an algorithm and feature extractions like HOG, that is a histogram of gradient, are like features and local binary bit pattern, etc. So, feature extraction is used to describe with abundant data set to perform cross validation that is to be helpful to recognize. So, in this paper, we use as a software that is a OpenCV software to test and train the a dataset for a moving vehicle and uses machine learning technique to detect an object with a good accurate rate. Finally, we compare the result with machine learning technique. So we're saying that deep learning it outperforms the machine learning models and it shows a good accuracy of a detection rate of a moving vehicle in surveillance video. So introduction. Vision based technology in a computer vision is become more popular one. So this is an approach to analyze moving vehicles to detect objects from images and videos. So detection process is one of the method used for tracking vehicles, analyzing the vehicle with shape, text, and color, and the method used for tracking vehicles and analyzing monitor to be implemented with the different images. To detect object with use, we uses machine learning model like SVM, which is support vector machine, and KNN, that is nearest neighbor, and Navis Bayes theorem. So these are the models we use in machine learning technique, and also introduce deep learning approaches to determine high level features to perform to give good results compared with the previous machine learning technique. So for future work, we introduce a faster CN, that is RCN is a religion convolution neural network. So we use this neural network of deep learning method to perform the faster accuracy rate compared with the real time CCTV footage. So literature review of this paper taken a seven paper. So first paper uses feature extraction and classification model. Like feature extraction, they uses Harlech features and linear binary pattern. That is to capture the vehicles in the video. We uses this feature extraction to converted, and we uses classification model like AdaBoost algorithm, which is based on SVM model, super vector machine. So comparing this result, these two feature extraction, these are like features give accuracy of 90 percentage, and the linear binary pattern gives low accuracy rate. So in this paper uses gives hair like features is performs good. So second paper uses so second paper is to detect vehicle of speed, color, text individual from one vehicle, so that we uses feature extraction like speed up robust feature and enhance the local vector pattern and histogram of gradient. These are the features to detect the text, color, shape of a vehicle, and we use as a same model, that is a SVM model. So these are the machine learning model, and the result shows result shows we will take capturing in all lighting condition objects in a video file. So this is the feature extraction we use to detect the objects. We also use these features in for future uses. And the third paper uses the same feature extraction, that is highlight feature and cascade feature. This also uses machine learning SVM model, and this gives accuracy of moving vehicle good results in all lighting conditions. So these two and three papers are gives uses same features in lighting conditions. So for and the fourth paper is and uses a feature fourth paper is a vehicle detection counting Harlech feature. So this paper uses in this paper we uses Harlech features background subtraction and morphological. So here background subtraction is used in this paper, that is to avoid a background noise pollution. It will avoid a background noise and converted video into results, and we use as a classification model like SVM model. So this comparing with the result shows to detect a number of cars in a video with good accuracy of 93 percentage and 97 percentage. This will compare with the overall comparing with CCTV footage. This machine learning model performs good. And the fifth paper uses a feature extraction like a mixture of Gaussian, that is emoji, which is this is also based on background subtraction. This is also one type of this is one type of to avoid the noise solution from background. And the here we uses a classification model, that is SVM model, and a faster OCN model, that is a deep learning model. So we comparing result with SVM model, this deep learning faster RCN gives good results comparing with machine learning model. And the sixth paper we same features also used, and one feature used, that is shallower CNN feature. In the classification model, they uses AdaBoost plus CNN, that is a machine learning algorithm plus deep learning. So this result comparing result shows deep learning outperforms the comparative with the other machine learning technique in real time performance. So in real time performance, we comparing machine learning and deep learning. That is, deep learning gives more results and more accuracy with high level detection rate, that is easily to capture in video file. So finally the seventh paper says uses CNN, that is fully deep learning method. So this also use a classification model like SVM plus HOG and KNN plus HOG RCN. So two and three yes, we are two and three machine learning models we are used in classification, and one deep learning model we used. So results shows that techniques of RCN is a faster method to recognize the moving vehicles. So in this literature, you see saying that deep learning is a good one to identify the vehicle faster and faster with better solution. So conclusion of this paper. So vehicle detection is a system can automatically counter the number of vehicles using features and some methods. At least experimental result shows that CNN based model perform good score with a good accuracy. So for future work, we can used to examine feature based on deep learning model, that is RCN, religion conventional neural network, which helps to gives a good results. So in this paper reviews different features used in machine learning models for object detection, and could be inferred that deep learning model CNN based performs better with a good accurate rate. For, for a future work, we uses this model to proceed with the next step. This is an inference. Have taken the paper. So finally, thank you.